Welcome to clickmyproject.com.
Now we can going to discuss about the product, a 4 switch 3 phase AC to DC converter with the galvanic isolation. Next we can going to discuss about the abstract of our product. In the proposed system we can using the 3 phase AC to DC converter for 4 switches with the galvanic isolations. Because of this AC to DC converter is in general for 3 phase, but we can import the new technique for galvanic isolation. The isolation is nothing but we can import the one type of transformer, we can import the in this paper. And another thing is in galvanic means a small amount of current we can find out them, and we can some clipping circuits will be imported to apply these clippers will be cutted the current. And this is using the very simple architecture, and few switches are very precious to getting the approximate type of these results. And this is one of the advantage method, like this is a continuous input current with any PWM will be suited for this process because of this 3 phase 6 switch voltage for the source converters. And another thing, this is entirely system was developed by the PSIM software of 6.0 version will be implemented. This operation will be control designed to implement the PI controller, and some reference voltage will be given, and some transformation and ABC to DG or ABC to the alpha beta transform will be applied to the control circuits of this entire system. Next we can going to discuss about the flow diagram of the product. This is on our 3 phase source. The 3 phase source is fully generating the sinusoidal wave of 180-degree phase shift, so we can generate fully AC power. This is transmitted to the inductors. These inductors are some magnetizing the current for uh, branches can separated for the 3 phase rectifiers, like AC to DC converter. The AC to DC converter process we can very important stage of this process, because of this is a single stage process for AC to DC. This is an interface to the transformers. This transformer we can using the non-linear transformer we can applicable for this specific process. This non-linear transformer we can getting to the fully DC to AC to DC conversion. This DC conversion will be processed to the some amount of again we can convert to the AC conversion transformer because of coupling with the some diodes and capacitors and inductance, like, and these are currently arterial and some loads. Because of these loads are fully resistive. In specific sections for this controller will be load will be applicable for resistive load, because of the resistances were common for that everything. And another thing, we can using the some reference voltage will be given to the PI controller, and some we can summation of we can find out them, and some control circuits will be applicable to the this process. So this is control for the PWM pulses. So the pulse width modulation will be control the AC to DC converter process. So we can getting the process. This is not only for forward direction process for 3 phase source and inductors and AC to DC conversion plus and load. So this one different continuous chain reaction process for that this AC to DC converter, and after we can get into the load for single stage like that. Next we can going to discuss about the running procedure of the product. The proposed system implementation done in PSIM version 6.0 will be implemented, and this is our PSIM software tool. These tools are different options in different library in the specific section in bottom, and I will open this type of modeling will be open our product, and the corresponding elements are connected to the some voltage drop will be connected to the together. Just we can click that file button and open button, and this is our source code package. Just we can back up to the this our whole backup. This is our PSIM software package will be imported. The specific software package will be given, and I will open my modeling of this PSIM code. Just click that main.sch. This is our entire modeling of this PSIM. We can find out the different these are our control circuits, and these are our entire circuits, and different corresponding elements are connected to the different probes, and voltage probe and current probes also. And next we can see for the running buttons, and sim view also we can getting to the results. Just click on that run simulation. the running is completed, and we can display the data display selections. Specifically, I can select these are our different results we can getting to the entire blocks. I setting this is on our source side. This on the VIN is an voltage to ground neutral. We'll be getting that result. Is I will get selected the three phase for the difference. I get add and just click on OK. This display shows. I think this is an red color is an A phase and B is an blue phase and this is an green phase. So this and three phase will be generating equally sinusoidal waves. And another thing we can give that button delete, delete the curve, and we can just remove that these previous curves, remove, and we can import the our current also. Click that current and OK. These are our current results for three phase. This is a galvanic current, like this is a very small current. We can measure them and click another. We can add to and remove the curve button. Will be click that and remove these three curves, and we can see our switching pulses. These are our switching pulses, and but we can remove our y-axis scaling. Click the out button. Click -y. S5 will be 1. Okay. This is our switching pulses. This is an I think 0.4 duty cycle will be given to update the every switches. So this is continuously on and off the process of the AC to DC converter. Right, it will close. This is an voltage of capacitor CB voltage in nano currents. So this is our galvanic isolation of current of capacitor, and this is C0 output capacitor current. So these are different parameters we can find out them, and this scope block we can getting that result. V out will be added. We can plot the different one by one we also plotting. So no issues, we can getting to plot at the art screen. To V out. So we can generate in the results. So this entire architecture connected in PSIM version 6.0. This is our entire modeling will be applied, and these are different parameters and uppermost part of this is zoom out button and zoom in button, and this is our connection wire and probe label. Everything will be given to in this task managers, and some of our uppermost bottom of help sections. So thanks for watching.